Orthotics don't help directly. Orthotics help by stabilizing the foundation of the spine. In other words, if a person has significant pronation, it's an indication of also of pelvic instability. So we say that it's correlated but not causative. In other words, we don't say pronation of the feet causes scoliosis. And the same way we don't say scoliosis causes the pronation, but we definitely find the two of them together. And we like to treat the pronation by stabilizing them with orthotics. It gives us a more stable foundation to the pelvis, and it assists the treatment process. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.